5 million any the man. Almost fankoye film village na Idris Elba M0n3y sa kwa no oye acting unzo oba Ghana no omwa omo o person no no di din to sunti no odi abro keka kire miracle films no edi abra e na ade na akoye bibi atwetwere ho ewie ye Idris Elba have to go to another place to go and set up that to go to another country to set up a film studio and another ba akofa abrantie ya ba oh no feeling no on na ba because jankoma no
abuzavo mamunyina makwa ba the Magana and M0n3y so but one more like video no subscribe to the channel no attend notification be next time videos of this nature about so sabit makabi now watch our comment section so the munyina me from Mr. President Madaroma if by chance it may when you feel impressed with our works na person of boy may set your studio ya ni idea but your number na there so bit my reach out to you in some kind of episode maybe ni beje pa ni better was so because this is the most active pro-NPP platform on social media na the BR said the mom on back to back sir will be a part of this family support us and we'll be so much grateful na busunya baby will be a home video no watch out to say adudi nyame is working
5 million any the man. Almost fankoye film village na Idris Elba M0n3y sa kwa no oye acting unzo oba Ghana no omwa omo o person no no di din to sunti no odi abro keka kire miracle films no edi abra e na ade na akoye bibi atwetwere ho ewie ye Idris Elba have to go to another place to go and set up that to go to another country to set up a film studio and another ba akofa abrantie ya ba oh no feeling no on na ba because jankoma no na ti owayi bi e wo no ho akola no twe sabi akra so at dey mama drop one messenger file bi wa St0l3 ya mefa enti creative art ne de me nua se ka se ye kom so amese mesiesi edu o magira nka se NPP abanya mfa se ska we ya nhye ne nsa se oni anim no mo mfa nkoye film studio
Felix yamfo omu nyina baako omo nyema kai yamfo baako
mpacho bra back why mpacho mpacho sama kasa mame
me kwa ofa na me dru hifa na me kwa ofa
nanka creative art for the nanka obeke bi said we amesi a chire mu no na wonya ka said you aba chire na ye yi
ana me ka se creative art dia nipa bonisem nti ye na do dan kwa baba ye de ne to ano nya se musika na no pedi because musika na ntimi nya ne hwe bo kofa nipa bae sama hu ya overpasses na ya painting fefe no ya ma artist adwuma ye wo kroma na obi ko school creative art no hu so mfaso
Aye, visual art.
Banne, o ma ye hu se se nkofo wan omunsa no adwuma ye fe. Enye just public ones say obi kra siri dan o tumi conform. Ma hu se na wonam elwa kwan no so a even Ghana airport omo afasa ofo na omo paint. So that is why how we develop a nation.
Thank you.
Na nyesa jankroma na musika na ye ni biribi. Look at how she set the whole place up. And then why you fe? And why you de? When you NDC for a bit Santana, no, Nessa or Siba could be also the garden now. Say they are about 20 million. Say the classic for Wenum, Massa line, and yet Jankroma da Roma. Come on, you say you be Papa
you,
every aspect of our life. You run another Danko Kufuad, men can't saw your angel. But near my ordinary Sakan, you know, who benefit. John Hamada no den Zaka ye hu benefit.
Twege ya dia wakoye okwa amenkroma yi wo. Kedu ya we sie omo ma je ho ansa na obe wura musulium ni nse. Kedu ya wa mo decorate o kama. We ni na anya mo fe. Be yi nti.
Enti the long and short no enti John Mahama or the mining concessions ni nyina beba ni nua.
Yes.
Munti bi nka ho hwe because una munim sesa na ote 2016 o ye. Mo se mo pe no. Mu na do ye nipa bonini.
Thank you. Simple.
Nebuchadnezzar.
Aye. Mother serpent corruption. Hey.
And that King Harold. And that King Harold that Jezebel dinachi. And Abba. Muamu Sampa. Bra Felix maybe why?
You but you did mama. As they say there na aba.
Be president na say nyame adom no na we be president na the busuani ye enye na so akoye John Mahama de ya de pa akoye Jerry John Rawlings de ya de pa Assembly nyina no.
Okay.
Assembly nyina no. That is it. Me what explanation be one me fama. And it is that way in every sphere of our life. Every sphere of Ghanaian life. Say your business, say your politics, say your creative arts, say your den, even education. NDC di omo ya eye. Sebi NDC di nkwasi asemu a eye. Sebi o NDC for na de papa se omo. Na nkanya nkwasi asemu a President Kufuor Koto Hotel. Emma ena odika na eka se o ka ye nyina se kwasi prat na di anim. Mu amure afini de bia me ba ha meka. Me se Gen Z fo no. Mu afini mu nim niema bebre. Kwasi prat lead demonstration 2008 to 2007. Echo hotel ho. Mu amunim hotel ye friend African Regent. Se wu ko jowlu a sa dan tintin ye si Tete Kwasi way. Village directly opposite Village. President Kufuor Hotel no. Hotel or toy or compare sika penny investors and or betoye. At that time President Kufuor no nya small boy. Even at that time, no, yet an established businessman.
Big time.
He was in his 40s.
Yes.
Or when the speaker. Now, be a wait here, President Kufuor. No one who in history, ni baby, or mufrino. Who's a sika? Muna nemanya sika o. Money na water. And then it's proper money na water or Ghana. And the President Kufuor ne chiri back ne bushia for ne mame. President Kufuor ni maame no ono wo ni baby ankwa university wo ha wo be a secondary school ani e pagya ni e do call London ni maame to dan wo London 1952. Wow. That is the family President Kufuor comes from. Na sa lipa no sebi o ne nana simi to hotel a mu Ghana for ye mu anim mu the most poverty stricken mentality ahoya nipa bonisem
no correct.
ATC no so kekan sam President Kufuor ni ofa mu wokrom ha ne bani hotel ni say egusu si ho. How many years down the line the hotel is still one of the top notch hotels e wo Ghana ha. Me omuhwa hinti hotel bi wokrom ha me ama me nidi wo ho. Menya hu say NDC ni dia me wura ho. Me nto me nya na me ko hotel di wawa na makodidi. Menya guest time di on be ko ho. Nipa boni some creative arts di hwedi wa wasi aka no.
Oh yeah. Oh, Ogyaba the line so. Sure, creative arts for any there. O man uni o. I'm say Ogyaba sister my line also to know. Back up.
I'm on the yes.
First time in 9 years. Why you workers? Me na me hear adwuma why you workers? It the Christmas without any bonus. Christians are hear adwuma why it the Christmas without bonus. For the first time, Muslims are why you omu hear adwuma e be di sala ene omu di sala akopem Monday without bonus. Yes. Me hear adwuma why under JFK. Na afi su bia we worker. 100% of your basic salary as bonus. 100%. See a debo abaso. Basa akwa with this clown. Basa ntalibe ye see last year when M0n3y bonus or catch rom say obetua bonus no this sala. Ene ye sala. Say ene na basa ntalibe betua wa ye for adwuma ye for bonus a yenim. Nti sa sala omudi Muslims are why including NDC for na omubu efu nipa all the information e ma me oye NDC ni mene wo ka say over 1 year basa ntalibe ye CEO beneficiaries of marketia 400 cedis a month or so ontimi ntua ye ana beneficiaries ni kwa hohiahia eko brem some of them they have to resort to Bessi brane kronon kitten just asifim. And why he has a dedicated funding? Why he is one of the few government agencies Womodi who because Emrana establish why you know I'm an dedicated funding ye wotua ye pia and no and funding the activities of why including beneficiaries or more allowances and so employees or more salaries. Sikano Ghana funja intuae. But basa antali ni NDC ye ni omudi sikane ye. Anene why ye workers go through and him no sorry obey meeting and no call Australia. Basa antali onye meeting wo Ghana wo say ebia ye kwa workshop bi na wo makwa akwaje Kufuridia Capital View Hotel anase Rock City ni ade da bi. Basa antali wono oye meeting na o call Australia na UK na ne ekeka ho. Chese kwasia na ni ate. Anase kwasia we hu asikiri o di kwasia he's been exposed to sugar di sugar na ma when diabetes what he's been exposed to power and I am man position kesia sika bebre eba o ayi nti say o tini basa asan kwasia fo we juma o mu di na and I think say he's the propounder of sa ora na ababe a white elephant ababe abatos since NDC for kumunum. I think say he's the one that started na ora no then NDC be ko position wonu ne bedi ni first and don fan saying baby ensunka moa
dear now open the entire country omo bi no a limited number ebia ye pe obi ama na kokra covid edro o hwehwe NS chemist o hwehwe your friend say East Cantonment Pharmacy mo no ma kokra sa edro no yeah good. The second reason is say ebia time a ye betna se dia kabo ma ye competitive tendering no ye disproportionate to the value ye kwakoto no ebia be say be 3 weeks 1 month ye free high nko for expert a mo ba be hwehwem ne nasefo ebia ye be kabo no na de na ye koto no kra ne esua na de twato ene say ebia why ye national competitive tendering na wie no obia amfa your friend say bedamba into ubeko restricted tendering. The entire maker way nyina say all these forms of procurement methods ewo ye Ghana ye mremu. Ye kasi obi ye lawyer nia. Ghana ha your friend nipa ne learned. Say nipa ne sua de na na tirim abobew. Into Samuel Jemfi Sami Jemfi ni tirim abobew. Now so dina NDC 360 so for Procurement Act to all the other methods catch the Ghana for say method as a Ghana ni bia som no to be the juma national competitive tendering. Okay. Now question is say ye den na Sami Jemfi the okoye restricted tendering. Obama asem ni mo ya emu awrem. Now minia why application we agency now why application for restricted tendering. O de call your friend is a PPA ebehwe niema be 9 die dikan mbacho yenko fourth one die dikan omo behwe reason a ode ba ye under section 38 a ode ba competitive tendering na meba we so ebio behwe the value of the procurement activity what's the estimate nyina den consultant estimate account no matter profile and technical responsiveness and others any shortlisted firms are ode aba Obama what is say ya tonkonya ya ma number da say ye koto ye procurement ye koto nkonya ya ama number so ya ama price what be that Obama me buza question what be that obehu ba ko bo ansa na ohun ni nyina mo na na hwede ye bo quantity 0 and so ya trust allow a provisional sum of boardroom furniture item 1 million Ghana cedi ya tabiri e dia master ndogbe eni ninia company e friend correct say omo de omo nko di na mabuna e bre wo man mu a omudra mikadi omu 220 Ghana cedis akoto security forms and tempentenkwa. This is what is happening in this country. Allow a provisional sum for office furniture be of 500,000. Aden. Ofa. Aden. Mumba swo man no e de akọ. Ehe na mode ko. The sad thing a woman said this is a rehearsed your friend is saying, Kronoa, esi o man ma mi hu bi da. Okay. And the PPA boss is part. You're Frank Manten. I'm going to prove to you. Sami Jemfi in the letter ne call 20th June 2025 Friday. Mini am my last picture no. Ne shade. My last picture no. Ne date or Troy. Or Troy letter you 24th June, which is Tuesday. And the PPA board will patch say Omo say one day now kind letter now Zumi mame or say we refer to your letter blah 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 no about at the second emergency board meeting of the seats board held on Tuesday 24th June 2025. Now it's a Tuesday corona na board nitimi so say Ghana yesika chachiro dio yesika chachiri die 11 million Ghana cedis. Yamfa master ndobi. Hey wafa. Okay. Debi mianka Frank Mante. So what can I say about this criminal conductor? And you'll be